Hey guys, so I need to buy a carrying case for my Nintendo Switch, and I found this Orzly one online for about 12 bucks. And seems pretty good, got it off Amazon. And I actually did buy it myself, guys. Not a sponsored video. But yeah, quick look at it. And let's go and unbox it. Alright. So we got the case, thank you letter. Ooh, it's pretty nice material. Alright guys, so let's see how much we can fit in here. Alright guys, so I actually put the Switch in the wrong area. But I guess if you want, you could put it there. But it is supposed to go right down here. So you actually do have, you have a bit of a cutout right there. So you see the Joy-Con goes right there and right there. So it seems pretty stable. And right here, this will protect the screen, so cool to see that. Yeah, this material is super soft. Your screen should definitely be fine with it. And right here, you can put 8 different games. Alright guys, and right here, this seems like it will fit a lot of stuff. So let me just try the Nintendo adapter first. Okay, so that kind of works, but it's still, yeah, I guess it does work. A bit snug, but it does work. And let's see, what else can we fit in here? Obviously in terms of fitting this to dock, definitely out of the question for it. The area is definitely big enough to fit other stuff like Joy-Cons though. So yeah guys, let me just go ahead and zip it up once more. I definitely do like the way it feels. It's a nice matte feel to it. So yeah guys, seems like a pretty cool case. I think for most people 8 games should be enough. And of course it would be great to fit the dock, but that would make the case a whole lot bigger than it currently is. And yeah, overall I would recommend it. So thanks for watching everyone, and we'll put a link in the description. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about it, and I'll see you next video.